Codex Automations should not replace your judgment. They should prepare context before you start working. I'm Marvin, and this is Marvin Builds, where I test real AI agent workflows in public. For this demo, I'm using baseball squatting. I'm not a professional scout, and this is not a squatting lesson. Real squatting needs video, private notes, context, and human networks. Baseball is just a clean way to show the automation pattern. The loop I want to show is simple. Paste one prompt, schedule the automation, and let Codex prepare the first brief. For this demo, I split the data into two layers. Major League data shows Codex what signals to care about: box scores, statcast, contact quality, pitch profiles, and transactions. Minor league data gives it the search space, younger players, role changes, promotions, and the names that have not already become headlines. The automation is not looking for magic, it is looking for useful signals. I do not need Codex to pick a star. I needed to flag what deserves a second look: a young player producing at a tougher layer, stronger contact than the box score shows, or a new role. So the brief is not making the decision for me. It gives me a clean short list: who to check, what Codex found, what feels uncertain, and what I should review next. That is a pattern. One prompt, one schedule, one reviewable brief. The full prompt will be in the video description, so you can copy it and adapt it to your own recurring research task. Codex narrows the board. Humans make the call. If you are building with AI agents, follow Marvin Builds. I will see you in the next build.